Next, we are going to apply texture to the terrain. A texture could be grass texture, or there are various textures available, mud, surface texture, etc. Um, so to do that, I'm select terrain from the project hierarchy and click on Paint Terrain tab and select Paint Texture. Now scroll down and come to the uh, Layers section, and here we are going to add a layer. So we have these textures available. They come from I think maybe terrain sample assets or foliage. I think it is from the sample assets. But here I'm going to for the terrain I'm going to select let's say this texture, and it immediately applies that texture to the entire terrain. If you wanted, you could have we could have also applied grass texture, for example, like click on add and say layer grass. Okay, let's use this. So if you want to change properties of this texture, double click on the texture name. That will open the texture in uh, assets folder, and then click on that asset or texture, and here you can change different properties. For example, you can change the tile setting. Let's see if I set it to 2. Uh, yeah, I think I will stick to 2. If it had a normal map, we could have changed properties of normal map also. By the way, you can create multiple, you can apply different textures on different parts of the terrain. For example, on this green texture, if I want to apply a muddy path, I can add another layer. And let's say, yeah, I'll select this and click on that. And I'll change the brush size, sorry, brush strength as well as brush size. For example, here in the middle of mountains or hills, you want to create a muddy path, you can do this. And if you want to, as I said, if you want to change properties of that texture, then double click on that. And here you can see it has normal, it has normal map, it has masked map, and you can play with different properties. For example, normal scale, if you want, this is how it's looking right now. If I, for example, change it to 2, you can see the difference here. So play with the properties and select the one which you think is the best for your project. I will stick it, I will set it to 2.